Welcome. If you want to change theme of your HUAWEI Mate 40 Pro 5G, at first you have to open Themes application, then close this ad, and we have to tap on the search pool and type free. It's only example, so I don't want to pay for any of this launcher, and I think that I can go for this one. And here we got also the preview of this. Maybe we can try also to get stock Android. It looks also really cool. Okay, cannot find that, so just type Android. Okay, we have to pay for it, so never mind. Just go back to the preview. High yellow. Okay, it looks cool, so we can take this one. So click to download, and then we can simply apply right here. Okay, we can keep it in our magazine, and as you can see, our theme has changed. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!